Hello and welcome to Extreme Typing Russian More Advanced Options. We're going to cover sound effects. It's any key strike. Right now, so keyboard, computer, so we got nothing. I'm going to add a typewriter. Click the radio dial, and we have typewriter. Mouse over the little circle here, squeak, and for the sample, this is science fiction, some animals, and just stuff in general. And these two you saw from Extreme Keyboard. What fun. Add your own wave format. This one I've set up of nice little froggy. And the uploaded. It's using whatever you upload. Click again, back to typewriter. And change your mind. Makes your typing much more fun. Thank you.